Yo, what is going on, guys? This is my big brother Mikey, and I'm Josh, and we're JD and Micon.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. Mike from JD and Micon here, and I'm here with my brother Josh. And today we're gonna be picking up a car, but it's not gonna be for us. It's for someone in like the JD and Micon crew. You guys probably know Kevin if you're an OG. You know Kevin. If not, you're gonna see him today. But as you guys know, he sold his old STI, and then he got a 240Z, which I know some of you guys have been wanting to see the 240Z build on the channel, but unfortunately he kind of lost interest in the car and he sold it. So now
you guys get the CRV build instead.
Oh yeah, we haven't. Oh yeah, we did show this car already, I think, or maybe not yet. But anyway, that's another video. That's Josh's daily. In this video, we're going to be picking up his new car, which I'm really excited for. It's like, how would you describe this car without giving it away?
I would say it's like a dream build. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I would say that too.
It's not essentially like it's a common car, like a common build, but this is like a dream.
Yeah.
build. This is like the build of those builds. You know what I mean?
That makes sense. Yeah, like this car has all authentic parts. It's been really well built, well taken care of. I actually already saw the car and I made sure that Kevin is getting like a good, decent car. It's not rusty or anything like that. All the work's been done to it. It's properly done. Right now we're just waiting for our friend Jay that drives the blue Integra. You probably saw his car in other videos as well. We're going to be meeting up with Kevin and Jay and picking up Kevin's new car. How's it going, cutie? How's it going? Look at this, man. Oh, wait. Wave again, wave again. There it is. It wasn't focused, it wasn't focused. Oh, shit. Wow, man.
What's up?
It's a big day for you, isn't it?
Yeah. It's happening once a year, I guess.
Once a year?
Once a year you film me coming over.
So I guess all the boys are in Josh's Evo. Let's go ahead and buy a car, bro.
They don't know.
They don't know what car.
All right.
They don't know what car, but it's good.
Well,
it's really
they
good.
do know because it's probably gonna be the thumbnail.
That's true. That probably is.
Now just black.
I don't think about it, but
blackout.
yeah. We'll do that. We'll do that. Hey Kevin.
What's up, dude?
So we are. Tell them where we are right now.
What are you looking at? We're at Honda right now.
But what are we looking at?
We're looking at a car.
It's right in front of us.
I don't know how much we want to give away.
Dude, well, we're gonna give it away in
I mean, this is how good it is. Jay brought his camera.
True.
So
I'm wearing.
that's how
Yeah.
good it is.
Does that give any hints? That's just, you know.
That is actually a hint.
It is a hint.
Okay,
It's
look.
close.
Can't give
You
too
know what?
much.
Give a teaser of the wheels. You can do that.
The wheels?
Yeah.
Okay.
The wheels.
Oh, dude!
So good.
That's already too much. That's already.
How about we get like an opinion of everybody here?
Okay,
it's like a
okay.
reaction almost of the car.
We'll start with Kevin. Kevin.
I don't know.
What's your opinion on the car?
Shit, I don't know. I've been.
Would you say it's a dream build?
Yeah, I would
Yeah?
say.
Okay, Josh, what's your opinion on the car?
Bro, it's right in front of me, right in front of us right now. Bro, this shit looks crazy, bro.
Okay, describe it with one word.
The more I look at it,
Bussin'.
What did you
What's
say?
your opinion on the car?
Better fitment than Josh.
Oh! Better fitment than Josh! So Kevin is just inside doing all the paperwork. We are at a dealership, but it's not a dealer sale. It's like a private sale. It's one of the guys that works at the dealership, but man, this car is insane. It looks really, really sick. It's crazy though, because I wasn't expecting Kevin to buy this car because of his STI, but it happened. That's pretty fucking crazy.
Behind
Kevin,
the car.
Yeah.
Kevin, You ready for the reveal?
Yeah, it's running.
Okay,
I wonder
Kevin,
if
so
they
what
can
car
fit-
did you buy?
I bought a Rocket Bunny FRS.
Oh, dude! I can't fucking believe you bought a Rocket Bunny FRS, man. Okay, so give us a little bit of a walk around. Like, is this a rep kit or
No,
like?
it's a real kit.
It's a real kit.
Supposedly it's one of the first ones in Canada because this car was built for SEMA when V2 first came out.
And this was actually at SEMA.
This was at SEMA. It was
That's
built for
crazy.
SEMA.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is like wild.
Yeah, and it's obviously, okay, you want to air it out. It's on air. It's on air. So this is his first air out of the car.
Yeah, you, like, bear with me. I don't know what I'm doing here.
Dude, look at this, bro. And something I absolutely love is the wheel setup. FRSs come stock with 17s.
Yeah.
And he went down to 16s, and they look like moist boys, like thick tire. It just looks so freaking badass. I love this. Dude, what do you think of Kevin's new car?
Dude, it's crazy. Like,
We
look,
finally have
he
a
also
car.
has Takata seats, which are
Yeah,
rare.
the Takata seats are super freaking rare.
Holy fuck, it's low. Oh fuck, I'm not used to that anymore.
Bro, look at these seats, man. These look fucking sick, man. They look so good. And of course, an RD steering wheel. Okay, Mr. TJ Hunt. The TJ. Damn, wide body bag. That's a build 2021.
Yeah, and
That's all you need.
There's a show mode too for when it was
Yeah?
at the show.
Oh, flashing lights. Oh, baby. Oh, and it changes color too. Holy fuck. Damn, looking at this car, like Josh's car looks so high. But this is actually low for a car.
Yeah, I'm
But damn. This looks so good, man. Alright, so Jay has been taking pictures the whole night. I think it's time for some rollers, dude.
Guess so.
It's time for some rollers. Let me in. Bro, what the fuck, bro?
Shit. For that,
That's freaking crazy. Look at the mileage.
Oh yeah, 26,000.
26,000. That's
Wild, right?
freaking crazy.
Does the horn work? Oh no, okay, we gotta get that working.
Dude, Scooby-Doo is back. So this is, which is crazy, that 4 years ago, was yesterday?
4 years ago yesterday, I bought the STI.
He bought the STI. 4 years in the future, he bought another Subaru. Technically a Subaru. It's
Yeah,
a,
it
it's a
is.
Scion.
It's a Toyota Scion.
yeah,
but
but
it's-
dude, that's crazy. The same day.
right.
Let's go. Dude, it's nostalgic.
I
You
know.
driving this sound,
Yeah,
it's
I know,
nostalgic to me. I can't wait for like wintertime skids.
Oh, yeah, no.
Dude, I can't believe you fucking bought this.
I know, me too. Honestly, like, it just kicked in as we were on our way here,
Yeah.
when I was getting butterflies.
Oh, really?
I hear sirens already.
Oh, that's ambulance. Okay. We're good, we're good. Something I want to mention is this is actually the first FRS I think I've been in.
Me too.
I think
Besides test driving it?
Yeah.
This is the, yeah, I think so.
And it's a Rocket Bunny.
Yeah, I know.
That's fucking crazy, man. Have I been in another FRS? I don't remember.
Oh, I've been in Ryan's BRZ.
Okay.
But
yeah.
I don't
But
think-
that's not an FRS.
I don't think I drove it. This is the first FRS that I've been in. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Same here. This is the first FRS, and it's a Rocket Bunny FRS.
Which is
Yeah.
wild.
This freaks me out so much. Jay's literally
Holy
hanging out of the
shit.
car with his camera. Oh
By the
my
straps,
God.
by
By
the
the strap,
straps.
man. Oh my God, man. Don't drop your camera. Okay, he's in.
Shit, man, just fucking holding it. I don't have a gimbal. Fuck.
Eva won by a bit.
Yeah, a little bit. I don't know where you want me.
We'll give you hand signs. Dude, that's so sketch what he's doing. Oh man. But there's always a photographer in the group.
Yeah.
Sir, you have no right to look this good.
Okay, Kevin, go, 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 go. Ooh, shit. Damn. Fucking pandem, man. Man, the FRS just looks so deadly from the rear view. What the hell? This is probably the best looking rear end ever. Man, that looks so good with the diffuser, the big wing, and the fenders. Man, it looks so good. Oh, damn, the lights are sequential too. Do it again. Oh, that looks sick.
I want to get the matching headlights.
There's matching headlights?
Yeah. They look exactly like this, but they're headlights. And they do the same dance thingy.
As you guys can see, this car is basically fully built on the outside. I think that's fair to say. Yeah, fully built on the outside. Authentic Rocket Bunny kit. And the nice thing about it is the engine is super reliable because it's low mileage and it's stock.
Yeah.
I mean, like, it's not a fast car.
No, but
I mean, that's something that Kevin wants. Something that he can that looks good, turnkey, and he can just drive everywhere without any hassle of, oh crap, is my Subaru gonna break down? Because that was your issue with with the other one,
yeah,
right?
I never knew if it was gonna start.
Yeah. So at least this one, you can trust that she's gonna treat you right.
It still sounds good.
Oh, it sounds exactly like
It does, yeah.
your STI, but without the.
Yeah.
So are you gonna turbo it, bro?
I don't know. We'll see.
And there's the cliffhanger. Damn, man. Congrats on this car. This thing looks so good. Alright, so what's faster, the Teggy or the FRS? The Teggy.
Lighter.
Now it's, yeah, you actually made the car slower because now it's heavier, has more
then
fender.
You have bags, you have a tank, you have compressors, right? It's
Sure, look at this, bro. You're not the slowest one in the group now. Let's go.
oh,
Shots. Okay, we had the same. He beat me though.
He beat me though.
damn! What the fuck?
See those pictures? Yo.
I think Josh.
Look at this man. Look at this man. Man, that car is sick.
I love the back.
Dude, it looks so good, man.
Look how the taillights like reflect off the roof.
Dude, I know, right? It looks so sick. Damn.
You want me to go forward?
I don't know if we're ready to like see you drive it slammed. You want to?
Forward.
Yeah, just forward. All right, do it. Air out and then drive forward. Bro, look at this fitment, bro.
Look where the lip is. Look where the splitter is.
That's so like you can drive like this. That's crazy.
Mark said he does. That's what he does.
Look how low that is, man.
Not low enough. He's more low.
This man,
More low. Don't take it from me. I mean, look at my car. But still.
bro. Hey yo,
All right.
pop
so
the hood.
1JZ. I already looked at 1J swaps for this.
Damn, is this a FA motor?
FA Boker.
FA20, no shit.
Shit.
It's oh shit, I don't want to step
I
on
stepped
that.
on the lip door and
But
oh, fuck, I did it
man,
again.
it actually has like JDM parts. Like this is Beat Rush Japan.
Fuck, I did it again.
And
Fucking shit.
Cusco, that's legit like JDM parts. So I mean like these like he put good parts in this car.
Yeah.
Yo, is this supposed to shake it?
It's these cars are not built like super strong.
I'll be honest.
Yeah. Like.
Alright.
It's not built to rest.
I mean like it didn't blow up on the way here, so. Dude, look at that exhaust, bro.
Yeah, it's
So it has unequal length headers.
Tomei headers, yeah.
Tomei. Fuck. That's expensive.
Tomei. Oh, he has a strut bar in the rear too, the same one matching. But he hasn't put it in because the tank's in the way.
But he threw it in.
Yeah. That's all about. Holy fuck.
Oh yeah, I was gonna ask. I have the same issue with mine.
Drop some nuts in there.
Yeah.
Beat Japan, bro. That's
Oh, it's on air? No way.
Apparently this is what came on the car. Seems kind of.
no, this is legit. This is from Japan too. This is from Ebisu Circuit. This is
Dude, that's what it came with.
no, the Ebisu Circuit where they make all like the
No, but that's what it came with.
fucking half-ass drift cars that always smash into walls.
Oh.
This is what they would have in their
Oh,
fucking.
he said these are the fogs I can hook up to for it.
Oh really?
Yeah, so if I want more light.
Jesus Christ.
And here's all.
I think you're good on the lights.
Here's
I'm not gonna lie.
another set of studs and lugs, brother.
Studs and lugs.
Yeah.
That should be like a bar name. Studs and lugs.
That's the new car. JDMI car
Gonna feature
restaurant.
studs and lugs.
It's just us. It's just the boys.
Dude, look at us. Kevin spent all his money on the car, and look at it. We can't even afford to eat in a restaurant. This curbside pizza.
Hey man,
Curbside pickup.
this
Dog.
is the way.
Look at us, classy gentlemen.
This is the way to go.
Kevin's car looks so good. I'm super proud and happy for Kevin that he finally got a car that he can hang out with the guys with. I mean, like the 240, like it was a really cool car, but he just felt like he was the odd one out with a 70s car, and we all had like 90s to like modern day JDM cars and stuff. So at least now he doesn't feel left out and he can hang with us. Not that he couldn't before, but you get what I mean. If your car is a little bit different than your buddies, you kind of feel left out, and I totally understand that. Still no update with the Z yet. I'm waiting to hear back from the insurance company. I really hope they don't write it off. If they do, I'm sure I'm gonna figure it out. It's gonna be all right. It's just a car. Everything that's wrong with it can be fixed. I do love that car a lot though. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.